Hi students, during my sessions in various school, one of the students asked me a question, "Sir, what is competition?" I replied through an example. I said, suppose you are the two best friends who are on trekking and lost in a deep jungle. Suddenly you have to encounter a man-eater lion. What you will do? The students replied, "Sir, we will run away." I said, you both cannot run faster than the lion, but one of you can run faster than the other. So what happens? The boy who is running faster than the other will be saved and the slower will be captured by the lion. Ultimately, the lion will be busy in enjoying his food and the faster boy will be able to save. So this is competition. So you have to be better than your colleague. For that you have to polish. That's it. That is competition.